was the first time we'd ever been on the Why Not track. That track they'd run it for about 30 minutes before I was able to get on it. Probably about 50 cars had been on it first, and it was just hitting that hooked up point where that you could just basically do no wrong. It was just hammer down. Of course, we don't have the motor for that, and so when I looked at the times on my race pass, you know, the car felt great, and we were just sailing around the track and everything, but we still were 58th on time for that. So, you know, you could just tell there's some big motors out there compared to mine and everything, which that's fine. I'm hoping to not have a track like that for qualifying, that's for sure. And shouldn't as many cars as here and everything. But the next run was about an hour and a half later, and the track had started slicking off. Y'all check this out. That second run, there was a few places there where we were kind of jerking the car around and stuff and weren't as smooth and everything, but we were much faster in the group. So we came in at 18th fastest that time out of over 50 cars. And so definitely, as the track slicked off, car was really working well, so the car's rotating better. I've got a lot more rebound now on my left front shock, and then I ended up taking about 60 pounds of bite back out of the left rear, and that combination is working together to get better rotation on the throttle in the apex of the turn. So I was happy with that. I was happy with getting to 18th. Still got to find more speed, but at least that gives me some hope that we are in the running in order to make this feature and everything. So I'm super jazzed about the practice night here at Why Not. Super short video. That's all we're going to do right here. Have some more tomorrow night. See y'all then.